Want to create music with just an Arduino and a buzzer? In this video, we'll learn how to generate different sound pitches using an Arduino Uno, a buzzer, some jumper wires, and USB cable, and a battery to power the circuit with its connector. The wiring is super simple. Take two male to female jumper wires. Just connect the longer pin of the buzzer, that is the positive pin, to the pin 9 of the Arduino. Connect its shorter pin, that is the negative pin, to the GND of the Arduino. Make sure to double check your connections with the circuit diagram. Now our circuit is ready and we need to add the code. Download the code file given in the description below. Open the code file if you have already downloaded the Arduino IDE, otherwise download the Arduino IDE first. This line assigns pin 9 to the buzzer, and the hash defined directive tells that Arduino that every time it sees a buzzer underscore pin, it should replace it with a 9. This makes the code easier to read and modify. Here we create an array called notes. This array stores 7 different musical frequencies in Hz corresponding to musical notes. That is 262 Hz for C4, 294 Hz for D4, 330 Hz for E4, 349 Hz for F4, 392 Hz for G4, 440 Hz for A4, and 494 Hz for B4. This number represents the frequency at which the buzzer vibrates to produce sound. The setup function runs once when the Arduino starts. Pin mode buzzer underscore pin comma output function. This sets pin 9 as an output pin so the Arduino can send signal to the buzzer. The loop function runs repeatedly to keep playing the sound. Inside the loop, we use a for loop to go through each note one by one. This loop starts with I equals to 0 and increases until I equals to 6, that is covering total 7 notes. Each loop iteration plays one note from the notes array. The tone function sends a frequency signal to the buzzer. It takes two arguments, pin number that is 9 and the frequency in Hz. For example, tone 9,262 plays C4. The buzzer plays the note for 500 milliseconds, that is 0.5 seconds. Stop the sound after playing the note. Wait for 200 milliseconds before playing the next note. This short delay prevents note from overlapping. And that's it. Now upload your code to the Arduino, connect the Arduino Uno to your computer using the USB cable, then select port and board in the same menu and select Arduino Uno. Now upload the code by clicking the upload button. And now with everything connected and the code uploaded, listen to the buzzer and play different pitches. Now we need a battery to power the Arduino and make it portable so it can work as a standalone device. Take a 9V battery and a DC connector. Connect the battery clip to the 9V battery. Insert the DC jack into the Arduino's barrel jack. Now your Arduino is running without needing a computer connection. Want to experiment with different sounds? Here are some cool modifications you can try. Change note duration, modify delay to change how long each note plays, and add more notes. Expand the notes array to include more musical tones. And that's how can you generate different sound pitches using an Arduino and a buzzer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Arduino tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions or project ideas. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!